Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today I will be making a garland for my fireplace, and it's for Valentine's Day. Quite a few of the items came from the Dollar Tree. Now I've got this natural polished hemp, and I like it because it's quite thick and it doesn't unravel. You don't get the little stringy things. And so what I'm doing is I'm measuring it against a rope or a piece of twine that came with the little banners from Dollar Tree. The little burlap banners you can see laying on the table. And that twine that came with it wasn't quite long enough for my fireplace. So I thought, well, I'll take the hemp, and I think that will hold up better. I'm just tying a loop in the end, trying to adjust you there. And I'm going to measure out. You need it just a little bit longer. Arg. Okay, so I'm showing you what the banners look like. They come in the party section, and they usually always have them. Now, the holes in them aren't that great, so I had to end up thinking of something else to do with them. But they make kind of a nice base, whether you're going to put letters on them or paper or cloth or stickers or whatever you're going to put on them. Now, these little twine hearts, I never found them. And one of my subscribers, this darling lady, Linda Lance, I guess heard me say that I really wanted those hearts, and she found them at one of her Dollar Trees. I think she said she had to look at 6 Dollar Trees, and she sent them to me. Isn't that sweet? She is the nicest lady. So again, thank you, Linda. Sometimes it's so frustrating when you're doing your DIYs and you see something that Dollar Tree has and you want it and they don't have it. See how that pulled out of the hole? So what I'm going to do is just run a bead of hot glue and glue it right to the twine. Now I'm going to start doing a video at least once a week. I am set for a bunch of collabs and collaborations and challenges, but I'm going to try to do a video at least once a week, either Friday or Saturday, and then do the challenges. It helps my channel grow, and like I told you before, I'm trying to get to 1,000, because then I can have a community page and I can go live with my videos. YouTube just recognizes you a little more when you've got 1,000 subscribers. But if you're going to subscribe, what you have to do is you have to watch a video, because if you just subscribe, YouTube will just kick you right out as a subscriber on somebody's channel. They started that last fall, I think it was. So take the time and watch somebody's video if you're going to subscribe to them, just so they will have you listed as a subscriber. Last week when I was doing the live crafting with Indiana Jones, I burnt my middle finger on my left hand really bad So I thought I'd better put on some protective, but the way I did it was just kind of dumb. As I put a big glob of glue and I went to put the bow down and I stuck my finger right in it. Dumb. It burned it good. But my husband burned himself one time pretty bad and had to have a skin graft. So we had this cream, it's called Sylvadine cream, and it's great for burns. Somebody else suggested maybe oil of lavender, and it's always good to have maybe some cool water at your table. Love this glue gun, but boy, it is hot. There's no lower setting on it at all. I didn't quite know how many I was going to put on, and then I thought, oh, I'll just put them all on. So I used all the banners, and I used all the hearts. I think those twine hearts are just so cool. Some people's didn't come out looking like hearts. They look like triangles, but these looked really nice. You did good, Linda. Good day to craft. It's cold outside and windy, and it's been trying to snow all day. Sorry about the glue gun in the way. We've had a terrible winter for no snow. Our water levels in the mountains that go into the water reservoirs are really, really low. Okay, so I'm flipping it over, and of course those banners need something because they're just burlap and look blah. So these hearts came from Dollar Tree. There's pink and there's red, and I'm trying to decide which ones to use. They do have stickers on the back, but I didn't take them off. I just put some glue on the back and stuck them on. And it looked better with two stickers on there. They're really pretty stickers. As everybody keeps saying, way to go, Dollar Tree. You're getting some nice stuff in there. Now, if you just supply enough for everybody, we'd be happy. Right, people? Right. Well, I decided to use the red and the pink. Just alternated every other one. There's a lot of Valentine's things I missed out on Dollar Tree this year, but oh well, I don't need them. I did get some, as you can see. That banner was kind of wonky down at the bottom. With the burlap and the twig hearts, it's really kind of rustic, but yeah, give it a little shabby chic look too. I have an eclectic style. Okay, so that one heart I made for the challenge, I had some material left over in that, and so I measured out 1 inch. Now I'm just going to give it Take those off. See my burn? Ouch. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little clip where my pencil marks were, and then I'm going to tear it. So if you try to cut it, it didn't come out so well. And tearing it makes it look a little more shabby, rustic. You do get a lot of strings, though. Yeah. Okay, now I'm trying to decide whether to cut it in half or whether to cut it in fourths. And how exactly do I want to put it on? Do I want to glue it or tie it, or... I decided to do a lark's head or a... See, I'm not quite knowing. But I decided to do a slip knot or a lark's head. And... still trying to decide which way to do it. I put it behind and then I slip the tails through it and pull it forward. Just kind of twist them around to the front if they're facing the wrong way. Usually the first ones you do aren't that hot. Okay, here it is. And I'm thinking, wow, it still looks really bare. So, it looks nice, but still kind of bare. So I took that red fabric that was laying on my table, and I cut it into strips, and I put it on either side of the pink one. And now it looks fuller. Doesn't it look cute? And I had a couple left over, and I tied them to the heart. Okay, see you later, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Bye for now.